Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use trial funds KuCoin step by step. Start by opening KuCoin and finding the trial funds or sandbox section in your account. Activate the trial allocation and accept any prompts to enable practice balance. Check the specific limits, eligible markets, and expiration so you know boundaries. Use small practice orders to learn order types and platform tools without risking real capital. Log into the trial environment and pick a market pair that supports demo trading, then open the order ticket. Choose limit or market orders, set a sensible quantity, and confirm the order to see execution behavior. Pay attention to displayed fees and slippage so your practice mirrors live trading costs. Adjust sizes to practice risk management, stop orders, and take profit tactics while observing how fills and partial fills appear in your trade history. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart speaker. It's great for alerts and background focus while trading. Head to the description to find the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Treat trial funds as a learning lab. Keep a clear log of trades, wins, and mistakes to refine strategy. If the platform supports simulated conversions or transfers between demo assets, practice those steps to understand settlement rules. Use stop loss and position sizing to build risk habits and simulate multi-step strategies like scaling in or out. Review performance regularly and translate lessons into checklist items before trading with real funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.